Hello guys, and I'm sorry about my videos, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make new intro digital coolie. First off, let's make a structure. Let's scale it how I want it. Let's just leave it 10. Let's add it. Well, don't worry. I was just gonna make a structure. We'll extrude. It's selected. Go down. Extrude. Scale. And scale. Extrude. The scale. Add a cube. Duplicate. Let's just add a cylinder. Let's just make it 64 vertices. And scaling it. How to Boolean objects. In Blender 2.78. Well, that's easy. Let's go add a modifier, just Boolean. The object will be the cylinder. Let's do a difference. To apply, right here, and see? Easy peasy. That's how I do Boolean objects. Well, let's just delete it because it's really old. Delete the material. I delete the cylinder. I'm just gonna name it structure. Let's make length 30. to make it a movie. Let's do it full screen. Let's clear history. That's how I make it structure. Well, yeah, I wasn't finished making a new intro. Add a cube. To make a structure line, add a cube. If I could scale making a structure line, I decided to use the edit mode. It says, sets the object interaction mode. I would edit. I can scale it. Scaling it down. Go up. Name it structure line. And that's why I do it. It looks easy. To make this intro, add a text object to a scene. Let's just go to 90 degrees. Let's just type it Cooley. So that's my name. Well, don't worry. To extrude, the text is super simple. Name the text to font. I'm sorry, I did it wrong. Duplicate the font. Digital. Oops. So that's his new intro. So that's what I made. Well, this is what I made for the new intro Digital Cooley. Next up is make a stage. Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. But I'm going to show you how to make a stage for a new intro Digital Cooley. First off, to make a stage, add a cylinder. Make Z to 10. Make it 1. You can scale it whatever you want, and whether you like it or not. Move it right here, and well, I'm really good at making stages, as I possibly can. Up, extrude. Scale and extrude, extrude, scale, locate it up, extrude down, okay, extrude, that's what I made a stage. Looks super easy. I can do this all the time, whatever I want. Well, I made a structure, the structure line. I made a new intro, digital GUI, and I made a stage. So, if you guys like it, don't worry, but don't let the strangers watch it because it's really getting stupid. Well, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and make sure the post notifications are turned on. Peace out.